So, good evening, beautiful ladies. Hope you've had a lovely Karwa Chauth. Welcome to yet another power packed event of Flow Ludhiana. As the wise men say, you may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. A lady should be two things who and what she wants. On that note, may I now invite our student ambassador for the day, Amanat Kothari, to give the welcome address. Amanat, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Amanat Kothari, the student ambassador of the event Become a Wonder Woman by Mrs. Rakhi Oswal, who is a life coach and my aunt too. I would like to thank Vicky Flo for giving me this opportunity. May I now call upon Mrs. Nandita Bhaskar, the immediate past chairperson, to start the session. Over to you, Nandita auntie.
Thanks, Amanat. Thank you so much. Um, I was told that I have to give a brief introduction about Rakhi, who's a dear friend and an amazing life coach. I've heard her live a couple of times, and my experience has been amazing. What when I was having a word with her regarding what is she going to be unfolding in the session, she said that it's very simple. It's three strategies from burnout to balance. And both these words struck a chord with me. Like burnout, our current situation in our mind most of the times. It may not be like a perennial situation that we follow, but yes, moments where we feel that yes, we're completely burnt out. To balance. Balance which we think is a myth and we think that it's an unachievable goal. Here she is to unfold all of this, and the the best person I feel to speak about this is because Rakhi has always spoken about her own personal rock bottom story. You know, where she worked upon herself and became someone who she is today, a life coach and a wonderful life coach. That too. Over to you, Rakhi. Without taking any further time, I invite you to please start the session.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Nandita. Uh, thank you for that amazing introduction that I scripted.
You scripted? No, not at all. In fact, I'm the one who scripted that. I
That's
was
a
like,
joke.
okay,
I
yeah.
mean, it almost felt I would have loved to script
Yes,
something like
yes,
that.
yes.
All right. Hey, picky ladies, all of you. Uh, thank you for having me here. And today I want you guys to really raise your expectations from what you're going to get from this masterclass today. Because I'm going to over deliver. I'm going to give you 10 times more value that you guys imagined before coming here. Okay. So I know there are about 10,000 webinars and master classes happening at this moment, and especially after the whole COVID period, it's become seamless. But this
जी
one,
गलत चीज मैं क्यों करूं आपके लिए जब किया था तो उसके लिए
she's burning
The
out already.
the regular glitches. Please carry
I
on.
know. What an amazing start. Thank you, whoever that was. Yeah. So what is going to happen here, guys, is going to be transformational. Yeah. So I want you guys to just get ready for that ride that we're going to have today. And I'd love, in case you don't have a pen and a paper around you, if you just take a few seconds and grab it, because today we are going to put all the insights into action. So this is not going to be a simple gyan that I'm here to give you. I know you guys already know so much, bahut gyan bach raha hai. But today we're going to put a few things in action. So if you guys are making digital notes, that's perfectly fine. Otherwise, just take a few seconds to grab a pen and paper. All right. Okay, so ladies, this is, we are on a Thursday. It's a Thursday evening, prime time, 4 p.m. I'm very curious to know you all are successful women. You all are such confident women. I am very curious to know what brings you here today. Would love if you type in the chat box for me to just get a hang of this. What brings you here? I know some of you may say, "अरे free थी तो आ गई." फिक्की का था, मन्नत भाभी ने invite करा, आ गई. Let me know all the reasons. I'd love to hear something in the chat box. All right, love for yourself. More ladies. Okay, guys. So before I move forward, can you and I have a deal that you will be fully participating right till the end? Because only when you participate, it gives me the energy, the enthusiasm to give you my A game today. So, can you and I have a deal that you will fully participate? And I'll keep reminding you of that. So, can you type in the chat box D for deal so that I know you guys are going to be with me throughout? Can I add a couple of D's in the chat box, ladies? All right, so I get a few responses. Why are they here? To grow in life and to learn something. Awesome. Okay, I got a couple of D's there. Now that just pumps me up. Strategy for balance. Absolutely. I'm going to share all that with you. All right, perfect. So guys, who is here for direction? Who is here for more clarity? Who is here for more confidence to make more money in life? I'd love a couple of yeses also. Please remember, we're going to keep chatting all the time in the chat box. Awesome, awesome. You know, because the strategies that I'm going to share with you today are not only going to help you become richer, but you will be able to massively transform your life in every area. You know, your approach to every area. You are going to become more influential. You are definitely going to love yourself more. Really move from a burnout. I know all of us have so many varied roles and we do burnout at some time. Kids tantrum, ye, wo, kaam ka pressure hai. Itni sari cheezein ikatti ho rahi hai. But the stuff that you're going to get today is really going to help you bring some balance. Yeah. So taking forward, is it okay that I share a bit about my journey here today with you guys? So I'm just going to access my PowerPoint here. Is my screen good to see? Okay. So guys, I want to share with you my journey. On the left, this is who I was a few years ago, not a very long time ago. I had such a low self-confidence. This was the lowest point in my life where I had no direction. I was in such a deep depression because I could not control my life. I could not influence anybody. I could not really put my, really have a sense of purpose and know where to get started. I was suffering. I think this was the lowest point in my life. And from there, if I fast forward to the picture on the right that you see, only in a matter of 2 to 3 years, I become a very influential life coach. And trust me, what this journey entitles is what I want to share with you guys today. How I became the person I am today. I was not like this. I'm talking to you. I address thousands of women now. In fact, not just women. I do personal coaching for men as well. I keep taking sessions. I take personal coaching sessions. But all this confidence has come due to a realization. And that is what I want you guys to know today. I could not influence anybody. And if there is one skill that I learned and that you guys must learn, which is a master skill for 2021, is the skill of influencing. So from a point where I could not influence anybody in my life, I could not influence my in-laws, I could not influence my work, my husband, my children. But now I can do all of that. Because I realized that to get different results in life, I had to become a different version of me. I had to transform myself. By doing the same things that I was doing in my life, I was constantly getting the same results and I was sulking. I was feeling like a victim in life. I was in a total state of victimhood. And then I realized to transform myself, I've got to take a step forward. एक मुझे self discovery की journey शुरू करनी पड़ेगी. And I did not just go to books. I did not just go to YouTube videos. Of course, all that definitely helps. But I wanted to take something which was like a deep immersion, that comes from some amazing programs that I had the opportunity to visit. If you see a couple of these pictures, I went to Tony Robbins programs. In fact, I kept going a couple of times, and he's a coach in America. I kept going there a couple of times, and even my husband. And a spiritual master here. And then I don't know how many people know Vishen Lakiani of Mind Valley. I attended his program. There were so many programs that I attended to understand how is it that I become a different version of me. And when you are in that community of like-minded people, you start realizing and reflecting what is it that you need to get those breakthroughs in life and to really achieve your dreams. And I can't emphasize enough that by investing in myself, I think over the last couple of years, I would not be exaggerating, just in the last 3 years, I have spent almost 30 to 40 lakhs just on my personal development, attending these programs and investing into myself. And ladies, this is what I want to tell you all, that to get the results that you all are looking for, that growth and the change and self and all of that I saw in the chat box, you got to invest in yourself. There is no shortcut. You've got to invest in yourself. And I can say that because I have done that. And is all what I want to talk about today with you. Because you know what? Investing in yourself, I know everybody likes to invest in gold, invest in property, in so many places to invest in real estate. But the best ROI, some of you may know what an ROI is. It's the return on investment that you get. It's the highest when you invest in yourself. Yeah. I hope this is making sense. Are you guys with me? All right. Awesome. Okay. So ladies, type in the chat box. Please let me know if you become more influential in life, if you can impact and if you can influence the environment around you, maybe your staff, your children, or a difficult friend or a difficult family member and your spouse, whosoever around you. How will your life change? So I'd love to see a few answers in the chat box. How will your life change? Okay. One second. Let's deal with the chat box. Just a moment. Okay. Sorry, guys. Just a bit of a slip. Okay, all right. I get that. Thank you. Feel more confident. Will be able to fulfill my dreams. All right, brilliant. That's exactly what I wanted to know. What is it that you would feel when you can influence your life? Don't we sometimes just feel powerless? Yes, it'll ease all along. Absolutely. And this transformation that you will feel when you will become influential will be so amazing, so amazing. I can't even tell you how exciting life is going to be. All right. Okay. So the secret strategies that everybody's here for, I can't wait to bring them out. At the same time, I want to know the top reason what's burning you out, guys. By the way, was this, I think I'm assuming that most of you are married, or there must be a few single women as well. Was this the situation for anybody when they were unmarried or they were single? Yeah. I'm sure you guys can relate with this, that when you are single, it's a different story. And let's hear in the chat box top one or two reasons what is burning you out at this point of time right now. Hey guys, we had a deal, yaar. We had a deal. I need something here in the chat box just to know I'm making sense and you're able to relate with me. All right. Time management, more happiness and clarity. Aina, we are discussing what is burning you out currently, because we are sharing the secret sauce for transformation. Lack of control over things, kids, hypocrisy, lifestyle management, juggling between many roles. Yes, yes, yes. I think most of us have similar reasons to burn out. Mom saying being a perfectionist. Yes. Boredom, really, traditional expectations in time management. All right. So, guys, as I shared with you that by investing in myself, I could create some amazing influence. And my mission is to make Indian women the best entrepreneurs of the planet who burn bright and not burn out and feel like warriors, right? Okay. So I was telling you guys that when we were all single, when we were not really in a marriage or not really with a partner, we could, focus on one particular thing, and that was us. Our environment was so much smaller. Our brains are designed in such a way, according to scientists and researchers. I mean, it's not my theory. This is what research says. Our brain is developed to focus on a particular thing, which is the reason why when we had lesser things to manage, our memory was amazing. So many of us, definitely, I keep hearing from all my women folks, यार मेरी तो ना मेमोरी बिल्कुल ही जैसे जैसे ओवर के साथ मेरी तो मेमोरी जा रही है, मैं तो मेरे को याद ही नहीं रहता यार कुछ. You know how we start tagging ourselves that मैं तो age कर रही हूँ, my memory is going. It's because our brain was meant to focus on a particular thing. And now, oh, poor dear. It's burning out with daily bills, house expenses, raising kids, and guys, yes, social media. You don't even know it's burning us out. Kids' education, then we've got work assignments. Our husbands want us to be the culinary queens, best wife, and somebody said a perfect daughter or a perfect daughter-in-law. और ये जब कुक्स चले जाते हैं तो इसके भी बर्नआउट हमें ही लेनी पड़ती है, राइट? और जब मेड्स छुट्टी पे जाती हैं, so I'm sure we can all relate with this burning out brain. So many reasons, right? And this is what we become. Pataka, aag choda sa trigger ho jaye and then we will just explode, and we do that, right? कितनी बार मेरा भी आप लोगों का भी है बच्चों के ऊपर एकदम से फट के गुस्सा निकलता है because we are holding on so much inside. We are breaking inside. Yeah? So let's hear the secrets. The three big secrets. You guys have your notepad or paper or something in front of you, right? And by the way, I've kept the screen off purposely because I want you all to totally focus on what we are discussing. You can focus on the slides. And you know what, guys? There is a term that we're going to keep using often, that is WTSD. WTSD. And as we move along, I will share with you what this is. Okay, secret number 1, self-love, right? We all have been hearing about this, huh? Self-love, har koi baat kar raha hai. What is this self-love? So guys, I just want to tell you one thing. I know बहुत सारे लोग चाहते हैं कि हम self-love तो करना चाहते हैं, but हम करें कैसे इसको, right? What do we do? So, let me share something with you here. You know, we women are programmed to take care of others right from the time we were growing up. We have been programmed to put others as a priority before us. But if you want to be that Wonder Woman that you are here to be for, the number one strategy that you will need is very, very selfish. Is actually very, very selfish. But you know what? I want to rephrase this for you. How about this? Self-ishq. Does that sound any better? Yes, the world may say selfish, but I actually want to tell you guys that it is self-ishq, self-love that we have to develop. Give it a new meaning. I know what you are thinking right now. Oh God, it's so unfair. I'm playing so many roles. I'm a mother and I'm this and that. If I start thinking of myself, isn't the world going to think I'm selfish? How can I? नहीं 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 यार, ये गलत है, ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. और हम इंडियन वुमेन तो वैसे ही दूसरों के लिए बने, right? So ये हमें हमेशा selfish feel करवाया जाता है. But you know what? The point is, you have still not become your own priority, and it is time to change that narrative. Ladies, we all have to put ourselves first. And I can't even emphasize how much value there is in putting yourself first. You know? Now, there's one thing here. Let me tell you, if ever you feel that doubt inside कि यार ये बड़ा selfish है, ये मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ? नहीं, मैं सब दुनिया के लिए कर लूँ, but मैं अपने लिए कैसे कर सकती हूँ? You know, when you keep giving and giving yourself away, then you really are not showing up fully, because you will feel depleted. You are going to feel depleted. And it's just almost like filling up gas in the car. आप अगर gas को refill नहीं करोगे, so आप बिल्कुल deplete हो जाओगे. Yeah. So I want you guys to know that feeling self-love is absolutely okay, contradictory to all the common beliefs. Okay. If somebody says that you are selfish, you are so selfish, please take it as a compliment. Rather, कोई selfless बोले तो उसको compliment मत मानिए. Because अपना ध्यान नहीं रख सकते तो हम किसी और का ध्यान नहीं रख पाएंगे. Yeah. So I want that to really, really register in your mind. Okay. Be mindful, not with your mind full. Yeah. Let's talk about real life circumstances here. क्या होता है बच्चों का tantrum, बच्चों की assignments, bad days, hurtful conversation, किसी friend ने hurt करा, किसी ने toxicity दी, कभी finance नहीं है. Sometimes you only do something wrong and you can't forgive yourself, और वो mindful होता रहता है. So हमें अपने आप को जो है self love देना है, because that is the source for self confidence, self worth, self respect, self forgiveness. And guys, this particular word self worth, please do write this down, because only when this piece is corrected will you become a magnet to abundance in your life. If you ever attend a manifestation class, this is what they're going to tell you. अगर आपकी self worth कम होगी ना, अंदर ही अंदर आपको एक वो confidence जिसको बोलते हैं, वो confidence नहीं आएगा. Can I really make money? Can I really earn? I don't think I'm worth it. I don't think I'll be able to command this much one day. So please remember कि self love से ही आपकी जिंदगी की जो abundance है वो यहाँ से शुरू होने वाली है. Okay. So guys, I know all the friends I meet and you know the women peers here, we all tend to worry every now and then. So I want to tell you that worry is literally a misuse of your imagination. Okay. So all right. So moving on from here, let me tell you a story about this thing called heart. एक बार क्या होता है बॉडी की ना सारी ऑर्गन्स ये सोचने लग जाती हैं यार ये हार्ट बड़ा सेल्फिश चीज है, सारा अच्छा का अच्छा ब्लड तो खुद ले जाता है, सारा प्योर ब्लड इसके पास जाता है, ये बड़ी गलत बात है यार, नाइंसाफी है हमारे साथ पे. एंड देन द हार्ट सेज, गाइस, only when I get this purest level of blood can I pass it on to you guys. And please know this is who we are in our ecosystem. So we deserve the purest emotions. We deserve the purest of it all in our life. And because it's only from that place, no, you'll be able to serve others. So know your priorities, know your negotiables and know your non-negotiables. ये नहीं है कि कुछ तो भी आ गया और वो हमें ही लेना है. Please make it very, very clear. What is it that you negotiate with? What is it that you are not going to negotiate with? Because I want you to make yourself your top priority. Please read this in red. Because agar responsibility is what? Ability to respond. और अगर खुद के अंदर अगर ability to respond ही नहीं रहेगा तो क्या घंटा हम responsibility निभाएंगे? You know, my mentor told me once, this whole journey of transformation, you know, there were mentors and coaches and all of that. And my mentor told me this once and I was shocked. But that's the fact. अगर हमारे अंदर ही response करने की ability नहीं रहेगी ना, so आप कोई responsibility करना ही सोच नहीं सकते. और करेंगे तो जो वो लो क्वालिटी जिसको कहते हैं ना कि हाईवे पे हम अपनी गाड़ी चला रहे हैं फ्लैट टायर के साथ में, उस तरह से चल रहे होंगे. और उस तरह से बहुत लोग, मैं अपनी स्टोरी बता रही हूँ that I have been like that for the longest time, but I could not really serve my family, my friends, my people around me. I had become so reserved. I didn't want to show my real self to the world. So guys, is this making sense? I mean, I'm not able to know from the chat box. Is this making sense so far here? Please type in the chat box if it's making sense. Just write S or yes, S or yes, anything. All right, awesome. You know, that just keeps giving me energy when I know you guys are there sitting at the other end. That's the whole thing about the virtual webinars and master classes. So you may be thinking कि यार ये तो हमें पता है कि हमें अपनी priority बनना है, समझ आ गया, करें कैसे? Okay. Now guys, you know, day in and day out, people are sucking on our energy, or events are sucking on our energy. Yeah? Yes or no? I think that's the reason what keeps burning us out. So ये energy हमें कहाँ से मिलेगी? ये कुछ इन चीजों से मिलेगी. A better time management, planning properly, prioritizing, learning how to prioritize, taking care of our physical, emotional, mental health, and tons of self-love and self-care. Okay? So इसका एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका है जिसे बोलते हैं rituals. Okay. Now let me explain you what are rituals, because this is one practice I want you guys to adopt in your life. Rituals are practices that we do regularly, which are either aimed towards a goal or a passion that help us shift our focus, especially जब सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल लगता है. So it is different from the routine activities that you do. These are very focused towards a goal or a passion. जैसे ही जिंदगी में कुछ गड़बड़ होती है, आपको ये हमेशा बराबर अपने फोकस में लाता है. Rather not just curative, ये आपको उधर जाने से भी बचाता है. ये constantly आपका जो फोकस है, ये rituals अगर हम practice करते हैं, constantly हमारा जो फोकस है, वो बनाए रखते हैं on the things that are productive in our life. Okay, so if to give examples of rituals, exercising regularly, you know, yoga, breathing, meditation, these are all examples that you guys know. I'm just re-emphasizing the importance of these rituals. If you say you are your priority, if you say you love yourself, you are going to stick to these rituals. Now, if I were to just give you a personal example, my morning time, I start my mornings very, very early. And my morning times are absolutely non-negotiable. You know, of course, I'm a giver. I love my family. I love everybody around me. But this is my non-negotiable time, which is of my morning ritual, where I'm going to do my yoga, which is followed by my meditation. You know, that those 2 hours that I completely give to myself. Now, similarly, you may have your own rituals, you know, what feel best to you, something that really gets you in the state of flow. क्योंकि जब हम ये करते रहते हैं ना, हमारी एनर्जी इतनी ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है कि हम ये सारा जो बर्नआउट है, ये लेने की हमारी कैपेसिटी और जो एनर्जी है, वो हमारी बढ़ जाती है. All right. So guys, I want to ask you all here, do you find some space in your schedule where you are able to create some rituals or like a me time? Just quick, some yeses or no. Yes, no, yes, no. Something in the chat box. so that I know we're all on the same page. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, amazing, amazing. That is, I'm so happy. I am really, really happy. Excellent. These guys are amazing practitioners of self-love. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so let me share some more tips on creating me time. Schedule your day. Okay. Guys, I don't know how many of us really plan our day ahead of time, or even the morning that we are at, that what is it that we are going to be doing all day. Now, that is very, very important. If you are burning out, then perhaps you need to schedule your day even more, you know. The mothers out there, especially, you know, there is a schedule, and the kids know that this is mom's schedule, and the kids also have a schedule like that, and that schedule is integrated with mom's schedule. The kids know when mom is available, when mom is not available. बहुत बार होता है हम कुछ बहुत important कर रहे होते हैं और एकदम से बच्चा आया, mama, my this urgent assignment has to go, and we leave everything and then we start attending to that. It happens. Suddenly mom-in-law, अरे यार ये बीच ये तुम ये सब छोड़ो और तुम मेरा ये करो. That happens when you do not have a clear schedule, and especially which is communicated and known to others that you follow a particular schedule. And this is the time which is your family time, and this is when you are available. Now, if you are going to keep all the open slots, if you are going to have a lot of available time, then people will come and take away that available time. So please remember, first safeguarding is that you must always keep scheduling your day, okay? Also, who here keeps making excuses that we all do? I have no time. I have no time. I have no time. I can't wake up early. I can't wake up early. मेरे से तो ये होता ही नहीं है यार. You know, I just can't wake up early. I think a lot of people try to implement this, but some manage, some don't manage. But I want to emphasize to you today, if you were to ever, you know, read the most successful habits of the most successful people in the world, they wake up very early, much before the world wakes up, because that is such a precious time to really get your mental state, your emotional state, your physical state in your control. So the ones who are feeling I don't have control, please, this one is for you. Try waking up early. Try with small incremental ways. आज 15 मिनट जल्दी, अगले दिन और 16-17 मिनट, छोटे targets लेके, and you will see magic happen. Because your mind will be so clear कि यार मैंने जो अपने लिए time देना था, I have given a lot of time to me in the morning. आ जाओ अब, I'm a warrior. I'm ready to take on the day. I'm ready to take on all the pressures. So this is what you are going to feel like. Cutting down on distractions. Most of the times we begin to do something, और एक distraction आई, एक social media पे किसी का message आया, friend की call आई, and there we go. Maybe late night dinners. बहुत सारे dinners इकट्ठे आ गए, फिर next day rituals का क्या होएगा, band ही बचता है. I hope you all can relate with me, yeah. So guys, cutting down distractions. There is the next point, which is with distraction that I want to share with you. The silent enemy of your rituals these days is social media, right? How many guys here how many ladies here wake up to social media in the morning? Like, उठे, phone लिया जी, क्या हो रहा है Instagram पे, क्या हो रहा है Facebook पे, Twitter पे, whatever. Now, you know what happens is, this is a total thief of your joy. Because the moment that happens, when you get on social media and when you start checking out what is happening, or even in the day, not just in the morning, when you start getting on social media, there is such a release of a hormone in your brain called dopamine, which is a hormone which leads to addiction. That is where the word dope comes from the word dopamine, because it gets you addicted. You want to get more and more and more of that. And then one day your level goes so high कि वो उसके बाद में अगर कोई बोले कि book पढ़ लो जी, तो वो boring लगेगा. because your hormones have taken, that hormonal rush has taken you at such a high level. Now, our bodies are not tuned to being on this fast mode all the time. Our bodies must slow down at some point of time, daily. Okay. So, constantly staying on social media will also make you guys run on other people's agenda. और वहां से आपके rituals, आपका जो दिन का plan है, that is literally going to go out of the window. Sleep affect hoti hai. I know a lot of women are going on sleeping pills. All that is not going to help. If anybody is on sleeping pills and all, I have been on sleeping pills and I know how it feels for a couple of months. It never helped. That sleep is not really like that. So rather, give that time to your rituals, whatever your goals are, please practice those kind of rituals. Okay, ladies, it's time for some WTSD. That is, write this shit down. Either digitally or with the pen and paper that you have before you. I want you to write down, because I told you that this is not just gyan. We're going to put down some action points here. Okay. So just tell me one thing from this secret, from self-love, making yourself a priority, creating rituals. Tell me one thing that you promise you are going to do for yourself, to prove to yourself that you are your own priority. मान लीजिए चाय का कप ही है एक दिन का, आप उसको इतने प्यार से आप उसको एंजॉय करेंगे, उस समय जब वो आप चाय का कप पिएंगे, you will cease to be a mother, you will cease to be a boss, you will cease to be a wife, daughter, whatever. You will just be you, flowing in that moment, because that cup of tea makes you so joyful. Okay, so please write that down on that sheet of paper. Okay, and you're going to promise to yourself, you're going to promise that you're going to do that. Otherwise, jitne bhi webinars or master classes hoengi, wo gyan hum sun lenge. But if it does not manifest into an action, a shift in your life, then it won't be of use. So I trust you all have written something down for yourself. So just don't doubt yourself, when you are thinking about selfish. It's just about setting those boundaries with technology, with family, friends, anybody, even a boundary with technology. रात को सोते समय फोन को चार्ज पे रखना है, तो अगर दिक्कत हो रही है कि बार बार हमको आदत हो रही है देखने की, रात को भी सुबह भी, उसको दूर रख दे हम चार्ज पे, चाहे हमारी बाउंड्री से दूर हो जाए, फट से हम वहां जाएंगे. So now talking about boundaries, I want to move to secret number 2. That is setting healthy boundaries. I think a lot of us, we face this challenge of, I am such a huge fan of, this subject about setting healthy boundaries. So many people keep stepping into our boundaries, right? All the time. I mean, I can tell you that I've had a love marriage, okay? But even after love marriage, a marriage is marriage. And I've had those situations so many times, when we keep stepping into each other's boundaries. And it is hurtful, because we women, again, हम लोग yes ministers होते हैं, हम जल्दी से we kind of give in, और हमें समझ नहीं आता कि कैसे हम उस चीज को draw करें. Okay. So I want to tell you guys that we have to learn to say these 2-letter word, no, N-O, no. I know it's very hard. I know it's very, very hard to say no, because we keep burying ourselves with all the expectations that are on us. Project deadline aa gayi, बच्चों ने कुछ बोल दिया, husband ने कुछ बोल दिया, किसी भी demand आ गई, हमें नो कहना बड़ा मुश्किल लगता है. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Let's hear in the chat box. Do you find it difficult to say no? Let's have a few answers here. Sometimes, yes. Right. Guys, it's very important to set people's expectations up. For instance, I talked about rituals, having a schedule, that this is when I'm available and this is when I'm not available. Now, in this process, you are not unserving others. It's actually about reframing this idea that saying no to others is actually saying yes to yourself. I mean, think about it. If you say yes and if you overcommit and if you're not able to follow through your commitment, if you're really not able to do that properly, are you really serving the other person? No, not really. Instead, it's better to say no and be practical, and in that process you will be able to serve them much better. I'd love to share a personal example here. I have been ever since I started working, I was working with my husband, and for the longest time of the business struggles and very, very difficult financial situations, I wanted to be that rock beside him and really working alongside. I did that for a very, very long time, but somewhere there was something inside me that wanted to do something more. I had another calling. It took me a lot of courage to actually share my feelings from the heart and say, look, I don't think I'm able to do this 100%. I love doing this. I mean, I have been around you and I would love to keep serving. But I think inside me, there is something calling out, something more that I need to do for my life, something more I have to do for my identity. And that wasn't easy, not as easy as it's sounding now. But if I had not done that, today I would not have been where I am right now, because that journey led me into discovering what is it that I really, really came here to do, what was my purpose. And guys, now I'm able to serve my husband with much more conviction, much more honesty, with more strength. So that is the benefit of saying no. Yes, but you're not going to be really, hey, this is what I do, and no, I'm not here for you, and I can't do this, and blah blah blah. No, we are women, we are gentle, and we have a heart. Everybody has a heart. So use that faculty of your body. You're having a conversation from the heart, not from the head, because when you're in the head, you're dead. And ladies, men have bigger ego, much bigger egos than ours. So come from a place of love and not fear, not aggression. And that is when we really, really achieve results. And the other thing in setting healthy boundaries is, when you have tried enough, when you have tried all the strategies, everything, even forgiveness, when people are stepping in, there comes a time when we have to know that it is time to move on. Yeah. That no more, gotta move on. This can't happen. I'm sorry, but you are taking my fuel away. So when I say moving on, it does not mean you leave your family or you leave somebody. All I'm saying is in relationships, you're just going to move a notch higher to a different vibration altogether, where the people who are probably causing toxicity to you have to run very fast to catch up with you. Okay. And the other thing that you will do is go ahead and make your own tribe of people who light you up, people who in your journey, like-minded people who uplift you, who help you grow intellectually, who help you grow spiritually on your path, on your goals. So now is the time to make that community, because you got to make a community like that. अगर आपके फैमिली मेंबर वो नहीं कर रहे हैं आप जो चाहते हैं, अगर आपके स्पाउस आपको उस तरह का सपोर्ट नहीं दे रहे हैं, doesn't matter. You got to move on and make your own tribe. Find the people who really uplift you, who कोई ना कोई तो इस जर्नी में चाहिए होता है. अगर मैं बोलूं कि ये जर्नी हम खुद ब खुद अकेले कर लेंगे और it'll take forever. I'm not doubting anybody's capability, but it's going to take forever. एक कम्युनिटी हो जाने से हमारी जो फास्ट ट्रैक स्पीड है, that is absolutely, absolutely amazing. Okay. Jim Rohn is, and he's an amazing coach, a motivator from the past years, and he was a coach to Tony Robbins himself. And this particular quote that he says really hit me hard. We become the average of 5 people we spend most time with. So guys, make sure that you are hanging out with people jinki company mein aapki growth ho rahi hai. Okay. It's time for some WTSD. All right, quickly, guys, quickly, please write, either if you're making digital notes or in your paper, just write down that one thing that you have been struggling with not to be able to say no to, you know, and you're going to do now, which means you're going to say yes to yourself first. It could be maybe something, have no fears. Maybe something you wanted to tell your boss, maybe something you wanted to tell a co-peer, you wanted to tell your husband or someone in your family, whatever. Write that down now. I hope you guys are writing this down, because the insights we are having right now, if you put them into action, एक चीज भी हम ले लेंगे, वो life altering होती है. You know, every program that I've attended, there one single breakthrough, and that would just change the game. And that is what we need. Yeah. I trust you all have figured that out. So we are going to move to secret number 3. That is building self-competence. Yeah. So, all of us, we want more success. We want more money. We want more fulfillment, we want more power. Yeah. So all the motivation stuff and inspiration stuff that we do in life is great. Okay. But कुछ नहीं होएगा अगर हम अपनी skills को upgrade नहीं करेंगे. You got to upgrade your skills no matter what you're doing. All the motivation pep that we get everywhere is great. Or ले हम. But if you really want to develop entrepreneurship skills, it is not wishful thinking. You got to develop some real skills. Okay. So maybe, for example, you may be a website designer, okay, and you are earning something like taking hypothesis, you may be earning 1 lakh right now, and you want to double your income. You want to move to 2 lakhs. You got to learn one more skill to build that capability to be able to command more money, to ask for money for yourself. Okay, you may be, say, a chef. You may want to add another cuisine to your knowledge. Yeah. You may be a business person. You perhaps if you add marketing to your gamut, you're going to up your power. You're going to up your value. Now, for me, in this whole journey, when I figured out that I wanted to be a life coach, I learned public speaking. I learned how to market myself. Marketing. I learned the skill of coaching itself, digital marketing. So all these skills you need to know to be able to really upgrade your game, to up your game. Honestly, it's so sad that we don't learn all these things in school. I mean, if I were to be in charge of the world, I would put things like financial literacy, business literacy, making money, all of that part of the curriculum. Because, this is really what we need. I mean, we get to learn such crappy things like Pythagoras theorem, dissecting a frog, history का तो मालूम नहीं, हम अपना present ही नहीं figure out कर पाते हैं. So these are other skills that we really need to, develop like that. And I'm going to share more of that in my program, how to really, really develop these kind of skills. So guys, here I'm sharing kind of just tip of the iceberg, sharing little tips here and there, but more on that in my program. Okay, so guys, somebody may be thinking here that I don't know what my real talent is. Okay, I don't know what my passion is. For the ones who know what their passion is, please go and master your skills if you know your goals. And for the ones who don't know, let me give you a clue. Okay. Anything that comes most naturally to you, that sort of puts you in a state of flow, it just makes you feel blissful inside. Even something like as simple as you enjoy serving others, वो भी हम सब में कोई ना कोई एक gift है, वो जानना जरूरी है. And if you are in a space where you are yet to even figure that out, not a problem. Just set an intention and tell the universe that you really want an answer. You really want to know. Set that intention. और कहीं ना कहीं से that silent voice is really going to come through. Maybe suddenly a thought comes in when you're under the shower, or maybe when you're quietly reading a book, maybe when you are doing that ritual in the morning. It's going to slightly come in, and you just have to be kind of be aware to sort of notice that. So the new skills are very, very important to develop. Everybody who wanted to learn how to master their influence, it is very, very important to develop new skills. So most of the successful people in the world are lifelong learners. They are. You also have to be a lifelong learner. Read books, invest in programs, invest in coaching, get mentors, because that just totally alters the course of your journey, the kind of breakthroughs that you get. So I want you to know that you are just one skill away from your success. One skill, and you won't even know you will be on the path to achieving your dreams. Okay. And please make personal development your number one goal. Number one goal. We usually put that in the back burner. हम सोचते नहीं कि अरे यार ये मुझे करना चाहिए, क्या करना है इसका. But nothing will change until you change. And all these personal development programs, they help you understand what is it in you that you need to change. Again, I'm touching the tip of the iceberg. A lot of that is in my program, and wait till the end to know that. And to be able to do this, build self-competence, most of us stay in our comfort zone, right? कितने सारे हमारे पास, सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ natural gift है. हम में से हैं जो आगे बढ़ गए हैं, शुरू कर दी हमने अपनी जर्नी, और कुछ हम हैं जो अभी भी सोच रहे हैं. If I were to give a phrase, हमने ना उसको कहीं एक बैंक लॉकर के अंदर सेफली उसको रखा हुआ है, और हम सोच रहे हैं कि वो उस लॉकर में पड़ा पड़ा ग्रो होता जाएगा. कहाँ से होएगा? लॉकर में पड़ा होकर तो वो ग्रो होएगा ही नहीं. वो तो तब होएगा जब उसको लॉकर से बाहर निकालोगे और उसका कुछ करोगे, राइट? So that is what we all need to do, getting outside of your comfort zone. You all are goddesses. We all are goddesses. And the world is waiting for a contribution. In the past 6-7 months itself, I have seen, this COVID time has shown us some amazing women leaders came forward. And the world is in that echo that if women were to be in charge of the world, it would be such a different world that we would live in. There would be more compassion. There would be a different way of leadership that can change the course of the world. Comfort zone, मैं जानती हूँ सबको समझ आता है, और इसके लिए हमें courage चाहिए grow होने का. ये नहीं चाहिए. डरने का, ये जो फेल होने का डर है, वो हटाना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज बिना फेल हुए तो कोई भी नहीं आगे गया. कोई भी नहीं आगे गया, किसी का भी नाम ले लें आप, तो वो छोड़ना पड़ेगा. फेल, हर कोई फेल होता है, मैं भी हुई हूं, हर कोई होता है. आप जब शुरू करेंगे वो छोटी छोटी, बट ये सारी लर्निंग्स है. सो करेज तो बनाना ही पड़ेगा, अपने ऊपर बिलीव तो रखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज यही सेल्फ बिलीव, इट विल हेल्प द वर्ल्ड बिलीव इन अस. Okay, this amazing woman who has come from where and taken over the world because of this principle. This one principle can get you more money, get you more fulfillment in life, get you more power, get you more influence, get you everything that you want, and amazingly fulfilling relationships. So please keep that in mind. And quickly, few tips that I'm going to share. How to leave your comfort zone. Now, guys, this one is very, very important. कहीं ना कहीं से शुरू करें, छोटा ही भले ही क्यों ना हो, but शुरू करें. It seems very, very difficult in the beginning कि कैसे होएगा, but after a while it just becomes simple. When we've understood the game, वो धीरे धीरे simple हो जाता है. And if you talk about the term confidence यहीं से ही आने लगता है. For anybody who is facing confidence issue कि मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, just start somewhere. You start it small, but start it right now. Take up leadership opportunities. Now, to give an example here, so all the Fiki ladies out here in the room today, the ones who are in the leadership position right now for the current year, it's been a couple of months since this session started, and I'm sure you all can relate that where was your confidence a few months ago until you had taken up this leadership position, and where it is now. It is simply because you left your comfort zone. You are out here showing yourself to the world, and in the process, I'm sure आप लोगों ने सीखे इवेंट्स कैसे करते हैं, आप लोगों ने सीखा ओपनिंग कैसे करते हैं, थैंक्स गिविंग कैसे देते हैं, how to connect with PR agencies, bring in speakers, and all of that. Now, these are the opportunities outside your comfort zone that you take up that really help you grow. There was a time about 2 years ago, I had got my husband and we are members of IPO Punjab chapter for a long time now. And, this opportunity came to me to be in the board, in the capacity of a spouse, partner, and family officer. Now, the moment that came in, ये हमारा syndrome होता है ना, मेरे पास तो कोई time नहीं है, मेरे पास कोई time नहीं है. I was like, no, I have no time, मैं ये कर ही नहीं सकती. But then that voice inside me said, no, I've got to break my comfort zone. I can do it, and I've got to do this. And that taking up of a leadership opportunity in YPO for 1 year transformed my leadership skills. I can't even, begin to tell you, not only the exposure I got, I could travel for different courses. I could travel to Dubai to learn my skills more. I traveled to Shanghai all on my own. I'm a vegetarian, never been to China before, and just going there all on my own and figuring things out. Now, that was a huge booster to my confidence. I can do it. So it's who you become in that process. Yeah. Follow through your rituals. Must. You will hear me repeating. And in fact, in my program, I emphasize so much on rituals, how we can really support to create rituals and follow through with a lot of discipline and consistency. Be hungry for your dream. Now, this particular point equals to anything else. एक ना वो भूख जगानी बड़ी जरूरी होती है. I know most of us are coming from great backgrounds. शायद पैसे कमाने की जरूरत नहीं लगती, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं लगती. It's great to be with all respect. I'm also a homemaker. With all respect to homemakers, it is not an easy task. But एक जो ड्रीम है ना, वो कहीं ना कहीं हम सबके मन में कुछ ना कुछ तो है. छोटी सी चीज करें, बट अपनी आइडेंटिटी के लिए कुछ करें, या कुछ एक सपना बचपन से देखा हो या देख रहे हैं, उसको पूरा करें. इसके लिए ना बहुत सारी भूख चाहिए होती है. Let me show you somebody who has changed the face of women empowerment, women leadership in our country and probably even outside. And I'm such a huge fan of this woman. Shivangi Singh, the first woman Rafale pilot in India. Kya background hai? Kuch bhi nahi. Simple family, simple background, woman from Varanasi. क्या सपने देखे, about 25 साल की उम्र, where she is to become the first woman to fly a Rafale. She joined the Indian Air Force in 2017 and joined this really rare life that women get to live. She lived her dream. 7-8 साल की थी तब से उसने ड्रीम देखा था, जब हेलीकॉप्टर्स देखती थी, प्लेन्स देखती थी. She wanted to fly like a bird. She wanted to be free. And look where she is. और हमारे पास तो सारी प्रिविलेजेस हैं यार लाइफ की, हर प्रिविलेज है. तो क्यों ना हम एक वो भूख जगाए to really live our dream that is going to push us out of our comfort zone. Yeah. Okay, now it's time for WTSD. Write this shit down, warriors. Hey, my warriors, Wonder Women. Write it down. Write just one thing that you are going to do. Please write it down. No shortcuts. Overnight kuch nahi hoega jab tak hum effort nahi karenge uske liye. Let this be the day. One thing that you will break your comfort zone with. This is one very important, one of the best takeaways I can say that you could take from this session today, leaving your comfort zone. I trust you have written it down, and I'm going to now take you through a recap because there was a lot of content that we shared. So let's go through a recap of what we did today, because I have something very interesting to tell you after this. So hold on. We learned about self-love. किस तरह से हमें self-इश्क की आदत डालनी है, किस तरह से हमें अपने आप को प्रायोरिटी बनाना है, दूसरों का भी ध्यान रखेंगे मगर पहले अपने लिए. इनफैक्ट अगर हम प्रायोरिटी की बात करते हैं और अगर हम शेड्यूलिंग की बात करते हैं, प्रायोरिटी से आएगा आपका शेड्यूलिंग, आपके रिचुअल्स, आपका मी टाइम. यू विल लाफ इफ आई टेल यू, इन माय रिचुअल्स मेरा ना मसाज और फेस पे पैक लगाने का डेज भी शेड्यूल रहते हैं. You know, because if what is not scheduled will never get done. So that is the importance of rituals. So that's what we did. You know, whatever rituals you're following, or please start some rituals that are really going to take you there where you want to be. Then we talked about setting healthy boundaries with technology, with family, friends, or somebody who's sucking up on our energy. And guys, jokes apart, बहुत बार toxicity का ये बड़ा मुश्किल लगता है admit करना, but I want to talk very, very straight. Most of the time ये जो maximum toxicity है ना, ये family के किसी member से ही आती होती है. And if I were to talk off screen, मुझे मालूम है कि what will be everybody's most favorite flavor of toxicity. I'm not going to say anything. So we learned to say no very gracefully, from coming from a place of love, because we women are elegant, we women are nurturers. So हम fear से नहीं करेंगे, हम rebellion से नहीं करेंगे. Okay, we will come from a place of love, and equally important to know when to move out of something which is not serving us, rather make a tribe or a community of like-minded people. And we learned about building self-competence, कि अपनी skills को upgrade करना, अपने comfort zone से निकलना कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. और बहुत मजा आएगा धीरे धीरे, वन बाय वन जब करने लगेंगे तो बड़ा मजा आएगा. Okay, so guys, in the chat box, I want to know honestly from you guys, how did you like today's session? Give me yeses. Did you get a lot of value from the session today? Give me, I want to see a lot of yeses here. Let me know if, okay, you are good to say no as well, but be honest whatever you say. Is there any strategy or skill that you learned today that you will for sure implement right away in your life? Let me know in the chat box. Has this provoked you for a new way of thinking, to develop a new mindset, a new way of looking at things? Yeah. Please let me know if you have really, really got something here, really enjoyed and got great value. Okay, I see a lot of yeses, 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 and I love that. I so love that. Okay, you have two choices. Okay, one choice is that I know you all are very, very capable. This is FICCI, and there are some amazing women sitting here to be part of the FICCI. They're definitely on a self-growth journey already. So one choice is that you conquer every roadblock and you do it yourself, which I'm very sure you can. It's just that having been there, I know it just takes longer. Okay. And the other option is having me by your side and accelerate that growth with me holding your hand and supporting you to blast through the roadblocks that you are facing right now in your journey. Guys, let me know in the chat box, how many of you here, tell me honestly, would like me to be by their side, you know, helping them, supporting them, enabling them to really become that person that they wanted to be? Please let me know in the chat box, guys, if you would like that, if you would love that, because I have a great news and offer to tell you. You know, when women like Saina Nehwal and PV Sandhu were asked, what is that one thing that really, really sets you apart and really got you where you are, the achievement level you have in your life? And they said, we are constantly doing much more than our competition can do. And we are constantly upping our game, no matter where we are. Yeah. So I want to tell you about this amazing program that I was referring to before, which is called Wonder Woman Mastery, which is my 4-week program that is going to help you really deeply put into, you know, I mean, what I have given you in 60 minutes is really a starter to that. And you all know that this is a journey, which takes some time and a lot of effort and hand holding as well. So where we're going to discuss a lot of actions to really get you started from where you are right now. I know a lot of you may be millionaires already, or you are wishing to be a millionaire, wishing to be, if you are a millionaire already, maybe wishing to be a multi-millionaire, and what it takes, what mindset it really takes to be that, okay? And we women are capable of doing that. We women are definitely capable of becoming millionaires like our men folk are, yeah? Building amazing, successful habits and rituals. We touched upon it today, how we can really bring them in our regular routine and align them with the dreams and goals, professional, personal, that we have in our life. Time management is a huge piece, because अगर हम balance की बात करते हैं, so इसमें time management एक बहुत बड़ा piece आता है. How do we really manage time? Okay. Overcoming roadblocks and relationships, kuch na kuch roadblocks relationships mein jo aate hain, we're going to be covering that. We're going to help you expand your influence on your ecosystem, everything around you. And trust me, this will help you build your real internal confidence. That magnetic energy some people have, and they just kind of walk into the room and you're like, wow, what is that? So that comes not from a great piece of dress that you're wearing. It may be coming from that, but that's all external confidence. But that internal confidence really comes when you are aligned with your purpose, when you're aligned with, when you're after something, really after something, and you are getting there, when you're on that journey. So guys, this program also helps you find your purpose. जब जिंदगी में पर्पस मिल जाता है ना, और हम जब उसकी राह पे चलते हैं, जो लाइफ का फ्लेवर होता है ना, it is next level. Life, living life on purpose, the purpose that we came here for. That is something that makes us jump out of the beds in the morning when we're looking forward to that. And that is what really makes you come alive. The dull person that I was and the person that I am now, it is because I am following my purpose, like I shared my mission with you in the beginning. So ladies, this, I want to share with you the price of this program, that is 60,000 with the GST as it mentions here. And this is not me trying to sell you. This is me telling you that ये कोई session recorded नहीं है, ये कोई old recordings नहीं है. This is an implementation training. To really make serious, to become a better version of ourselves, we need to get into an implementation mode. And this is what it is, a complete system. Because when you are doing on your own, you probably might not have a feedback system. This is where you're going to have feedback. You're going to get a lot of feedback. And, everything you will create yourself in this program, with a lot of enabling and a lot of support. It's hardly 8 sessions, which goes over a 4-week program. And it's going to happen on Mondays and Thursdays from 3 to 5 p.m., which starts on November 16. Now, here's the fun part. Ladies, my dear ladies, I want to give you guys a reality check. A bag, a designer bag, we all love designer bags. I totally indulge in that too. It's definitely something that cuts our pocket by something more than $1 lakh. And we have not maybe 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags. And we love to shop for them on every occasion we find on a vacation or something. If you were to purchase an iPhone, it would definitely cost nothing less than 1,20,000. Any sari is not going to pinch you less than 75,000, right? Now, guys, all this is brilliant. I would love you to make more money and indulge this in yourself. I indulge in all of that too. But I just want to let you know that this is not going to transform your life. This is an expenditure. Take it from an expense point of view on yourself, but not an investment in yourself. Investment happens really when you go on a personal development journey, which is why I want my fellow sisters to come on this journey. I want to give maximum that I can and help build a community of all we women together coming forward as great leaders And this is the price I want to offer to you. This is the price I want to give to you today. It's Diwali time. Call it the Lakshmi offer that I want to give to you guys. It's simply because I know you guys can afford bigger prizes as well, but I want you to come out of that fence कि मुझे ये खर्चा करना पड़ेगा. I'm going to spend. I want you guys to get started on this journey with me, right? And this is real investment in yourself. And guys, let me just share, anybody who wants to sign up, this little thing, URL that you see in the bottom, I'm requesting my team also to type, in the chat box, the URL, please, for the women who want to register. Thank you so much for typing that out. Yeah, in between also, please type that out for anybody. Guys, if you would like, you can register for that in this link. And I want to give you something even more amazing today. If you really want to sign up for this, I'm going to give you more bonus. I want to give you a one-on-one coaching session with me for first 15 registrations that happen. They will get not only this, but they will also get a free session, a bonus coaching session with me, which is absolutely one-on-one, personal. And the first 20 women who register will not even pay 29,000. They can register for 15,000 plus GST. So ladies, जो fence पे बैठे हुए थे कि ये पैसा कैसे spend करें, do I really want, I'm taking my time to decide, do I really want to spend this money, whatever. This is an amazing offer, and this is an investment, the kind of transformation you will have in your life, all the goals, the kind of balance you will have in your life, the momentum that you're going to get in your life will be absolutely amazing. And you know what? I have 100% money back promise. अगर आपको 2 session के बाद में आपको value नहीं लगती है, just let us know and we're going to give your complete money back, 100% money back, and that's a promise. All of this is just because I want you women, my fellow sisters, to really start this journey. 50-60 minutes may you will get some insights, but that real deep immersion. In fact, I am on a regular even at this stage, and I will be lifelong on a regular growth path. For the last 3-4 years, I've had personal coaches myself, business, marketing, everything else, life. And it just helps you cut short your journey, really cut to the chase. And trust me, the kind of money I have invested, I'm not even asking you to invest that kind of money, but just get started, a small step. I implore you to get started for your life, to make a transformation in your life. My amazing women, my goddesses, you are meant to be goddesses. And this is, I'd love to, offer this prize for the first 20. And guys, please type in, if you are registering right now, please type in your name in the chat box for us to know who are the first 20 women who are really going to take this prize offer. You can't even imagine right now the kind of stuff, the kind of difference that you're going to notice. एक वो जो इतने सपने लेते हैं हम, जिन चीजों की शुरुआत नहीं कर पाते हैं, ये सारी चीजें जो हमने लॉकर में रखी हुई हैं, ये इनका बाहर निकलना जरूरी है. And all of us have some kind of gift, all of us have some kind of challenges, a deep burning desire somewhere, kuch na kuch transformation. I'm saying because I have been there. मेरी नींदें उड़ी हैं. I have had emotional challenges so deep. और ये जब जर्नी शुरू होती है, ये सिर्फ बुक्स पढ़ने से नहीं आएगी. I can tell you today, you can take, you can start that journey. ये खाली बुक से नहीं आएगी. Here it's about building a tribe. I have this amazing tribe that I'm building. So I'd love to have you guys in that tribe. And this URL is here. And you guys, I'm starting this from the 16th of November. Come join this amazing tribe of Wonder Women. I have loved being here. Thank you all so much for having me here. And I've enjoyed this interaction, and you guys are very vibrant and buzzing. Thank you for all the responses that you have given in the chat box. All right.
Thank you,
here I am.
Rakhi.
I ran a bit over time, probably.
No,
Did I?
of course not. I thought you were done there. Thank you, Rakhi, so much for a wonderful session. So many takeaways. Really, I've penned down everything, and my page is full, trust me. We have one or two questions you've answered about the date, but is it going to be a virtual session or is it going to be a one-on-one session?
It'll be a virtual session.
It'll be a virtual
one-on-one is the extra bonus that I mentioned. If somebody is signing up, the first 20 people that we get to sign up, they get a free coaching session with me, a personal coaching session, which is just for them. Apart from that, yes, this is a virtual program, a virtual 4-week program.
Virtual program. All right. And dates you've mentioned, of course. And how long is the program?
So it's a 4-week program. We're going to have total of 8 sessions. So it starts from the 16th. Yes, it starts from the 16th, every Monday and Thursday in the evening, 3 to 5.
All right. Thank you so much, Rakhi. Now, may I please invite our student ambassador, Amanat Kothari, to give the vote of thanks.
This is so special for me. Love you.
Wow, what an insightful session it has been. Today's session was truly an eye-opener. Thank you, Mrs. Rakhi Oswal, for leading us on the pathway of learning and exploring life and womanhood from a different perspective. We would like to present to you a green certificate. The idea behind the green certificate is that in Flow, we believe in creating permanent lasting memories. Hence, we plant a tree in the name of our esteemed guest of honor, and this green certificate is a testimonial to it. I would like to request the IT team to kindly show the green certificate for Rakhi Oswal, please.
Awesome. Thank you. Really appreciate this initiative you all have taken. I've been seeing it, and it's wonderful. Very beautiful. Very nice thought. Thank you so much.
Thank you, IT team. I'm thankful for Mannat Kothari, chairperson, FICCI Flow Ludhiana, for creating such a wonderful session. My heartfelt thanks to our annual platinum sponsors, Aurika by Akshita, Arya Resorts by Vandana Verma, Headmaster by Karanveer Sidhu, IMC by Satyan Bhatia, Mangalam Diamonds by Manav Mittal, our gold sponsors, KJ Forgings by Amit Kothari, and Sood Studios by Sherry Sood. Silver sponsors, Nidhi Jain, makeup artist, PR partner, Penumbra by Sukriti. Technical part was 01 Synergy by Preet Chanduke. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience. Stronger together. Stay home, stay safe.
All right, thank you. It was an awesome session, Rakhi. Thank you.
Thank you. Loved it. Thank you for having me here.
No. Thank you for coming and joining us today. Thank you all for coming in. Thank you, guys. You've been a wonderful audience. Thank you.